The future isn't years away. It's already sitting on our desks, in our pockets, and even floating in midair. Today, we're exploring some of the coolest, smartest, and most futuristic gadgets you can actually buy right now. These aren't just toys. They're tools designed to make work easier, play more immersive, and everyday life just a little more magical. Let's jump right in. Snapstand and Snapstand Pro. Imagine turning your laptop into a full triple-screen setup in seconds. That's what the Snapstand delivers. Just unfold it, snap the screens on magnetically, and you're ready to work across multiple displays. No hassle, no clutter. The Snapstand Pro takes things even further. With built-in USB ports, Ethernet, power delivery, and docking features, everything connects through a single cable. Perfect for MacBooks and more, it keeps your desk clean and your workflow running smooth. Choose Horizon mode for wide triple screens, Stack mode for vertical focus, or Solo mode when you're working on the go. Snapstand isn't just a stand, it's a modular workspace that adapts to you. TQSKY2 Cinema Glasses. Why settle for a small screen when you can carry a personal theater with you? Slip on the TQSKY2 glasses and suddenly you're looking at a massive 170-inch virtual display. Movies, games, even apps. Everything feels bigger, sharper, and more immersive. Early backers get free colored lenses valued at $59 just for supporting. And setup couldn't be easier. Plug your iPhone 15 or newer into the included USB-C cable and you're done. No display ports, no extra gadgets. Pair it with the T-Box Pro for easy screen mirroring and expanded content. The glasses even double as wireless audio with comfortable semi-in-ear speakers that don't leak sound. Whether you're watching Netflix, Disney+, or YouTube, you'll experience cinema-grade visuals and crystal-clear audio, anywhere, anytime. Kingston IronKey Vault Privacy. 80. For anyone serious about security, the Kingston IronKey Vault Privacy 80 is a must-have. This external SSD packs up to 3.8 terabytes of storage, wrapped in military-grade security. Instead of tiny, hard-to-press buttons, it has a bright touchscreen, so entering your PIN or passphrase feels natural. You can even set up multiple profiles with separate codes for admins and users. And with dual read-only modes, it protects your data from malware when plugged into unfamiliar devices. If convenience and peace of mind are your top priorities, this drive is built for you. Magnetic levitating globe. Now, for something a little more magical, the magnetic levitating globe. A floating, glowing globe suspended mid-air, illuminated with colorful LED lights. Yes, balancing it perfectly takes some patience. And yes, a bump to your desk might interrupt the magic. But once you get it floating, it runs smoothly on wall power and becomes a jaw-dropping centerpiece. It's part decor, part science experiment, and 100% a conversation starter. Cootie Mask 2. If you want your personality to light up a room, literally, check out the Cootie Mask 2. For just $120, this digital mask can display over 30 animated expressions, from huge smiles to goofy frowns. It doesn't stop there. With its companion app, you can design your own custom animations, making it completely unique. It reacts to your movements and even syncs with your voice, opening its digital mouth when you speak. And if you want to have even more fun, add playful cases with Shrek-style ears. It's perfect for parties, cosplay, or just stealing the show. Gayen charger. Charging devices usually isn't exciting, but the Gayen charger changes that. Styled with retro Mac design, it combines nostalgia with cutting-edge performance. 3 USB-C ports deliver a strong 67 watts of fast charging, powered by PPS and PD tech. It can juice up your laptop, phone, and tablet quickly, all at once. And the built-in display shows real-time power output, so you always know what's happening. All that for just $47, simple, stylish, and powerful. Unitree G1 Humanoid Robot. Here's where things get futuristic. The Unitree G1 is a humanoid robot powered by 43 joint motors. It doesn't just walk, it squats, stands, and even dances with impressive fluidity. Pair it with the DEX 3-1 robotic hands, and suddenly it can do delicate tasks, from cracking walnuts to holding an egg without breaking it. With 360-degree vision and AI-driven learning, it adapts in real time and gets smarter every day. This isn't a novelty. It's a research platform for developers and scientists pushing robotics forward. Renpho Link Smart Ring. Meet the Renpho Link Smart Ring, a sleek titanium ring packed with health tracking features. It monitors sleep, heart rate, stress, blood oxygen, steps, calories, and workouts, all in one tiny device. No subscriptions required. Just connect it to the free Renpho app, which integrates with both Apple Health and Google Health. The ring lasts up to 7 days on a single charge and comes with a portable charging case. Waterproof and durable, it's designed for all-day wear. If you want effortless health tracking at your fingertips, literally, this is it. CC Electric Jack Flat Tire, don't sweat it. The CC Electric Jack packs 5 tons of lifting power, driven by a 180-watt motor. It can raise your car or light truck from 6 to 18 inches high, quickly and safely. Just position it, attach the right screw head, and press start. It does all the heavy lifting, literally. No sweat, no stress, just pure convenience. Rolling square. AirCard wallets go missing. The AirCard makes sure yours doesn't. It's the first Bluetooth wallet tracker with Apple's Find My support, and it comes with a built-in digital business card. Track your wallet anywhere in the world, get alerts louder than AirTag, and share your contact info instantly with NFC or QR code. Smart features like Lost Mode QR and Left Behind notifications give you peace of mind. It's slim, sleek, and smarter than any wallet you've ever owned. Anker Nano Power Bank. Big power, tiny size. The Anker Nano is a pocket-sized power bank with a 5,000 mAh battery. That's enough for a full phone charge, and with 20W USB-C fast delivery, it does it quickly. Wrapped in premium aluminum, with LED indicators and advanced safety management, it's tough, compact, and reliable. Perfect for when you're on the go and need juice fast. View Dock. The View Dock is more than just a USB-C hub. It's a desk upgrade. This vertical 5-in-1 dock includes a built-in 10-cm display you can use for widgets, calendars, system stats, or even Spotify lyrics. With SD, TF, and USB 3.0 slots, plus 100W charging, it keeps your devices powered and organized. It even powers on and off with your laptop, so no glowing screens when your day is done. Sleek, smart, and customizable, it's a productivity booster for any desk. Cube by Magpie Tech. Measuring tools just got an upgrade. The Cube is a 3-in-1 angle, level, and distance meter that fits in your pocket. With precision down to 2 decimal places, it makes DIY projects, woodworking, and even 3D printing more accurate. The built-in magnet lets you mount it easily, while its compact size means you can take it anywhere. FYU Scorp M2 Mobile Gimbal. Last but not least, the FYU Scorp M2 Mobile Gimbal. Whether you're filming with a smartphone, mirrorless, or action camera, it delivers buttery smooth footage. Its AI tracking module locks onto your subject perfectly, keeping them in frame no matter how they move. Gesture controls make it hands-free, while modular mounts let you attach lights, mics, or power banks. It's like carrying a pro film crew in one compact device. From levitating globes to modular workstations, pocket power banks, and humanoid robots, these gadgets prove the future isn't coming. It's already here. They're practical, entertaining, and built to make everyday life smarter and more fun. So the real question is, which one would you bring home first?